Let me ask you something real. Every truck driver has asked this at least once. Can trucking really make you a millionaire? Not YouTube fake money, not Instagram lifestyle. Real money, real bank account. The honest answer is yes, it's possible, but not by just driving. Let me explain this in simple truck stop language. Let's be clear. Driving a truck alone will not make you a millionaire. Trucking becomes powerful only when you treat it like a business. Your truck is not your dream. Your truck is a tool. The drivers who make serious money track every dollar, control expenses, plan ahead, think like owners, not employees. They love the business of trucking, not just the road. Not all owner operators win. Some paths are harder than others. Lease operator. Company owns the truck, you pay all cost. Company controls freight. Many drivers end up broke. This path gives freedom on paper, but not in reality. Lease purchase. More control. You own the truck, still depend on one company, need good miles and rates. Some people succeed here, many don't. Independent owner operator. You own the truck, you choose loads, you choose lanes, you control profit. This is the hardest path, but the only real path to wealth in trucking. And I do recommend this. Being your own boss is not easy. Everybody wants to be their own boss, but being the boss means paying taxes, paying insurance, handling breakdowns, managing cash flow. Freedom comes with responsibility. If you can't manage money, trucking will expose you fast. Money management makes or breaks you. Most drivers don't fail because of low rates. They fail because they spend too much, buy trucks they can't afford, don't save for repairs, live like money never stops. The first 1 to 2 years are hard. That's normal. The smart drivers budget for slow weeks, save for breakdowns, keep emergency cash, live below their means. Millionaires don't spend first, they save first. Cut cost, keep profits. Want more money? Don't chase miles, chase profit. Smart truckers avoid deadhead miles, take backhauls, use fuel cards, use loyalty programs, learn basic repairs. Empty miles equal burning money. If you can fix small things yourself, you save thousands every year. That money adds up. How millionaires are really made in trucking. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most trucking millionaires don't make it in 1 year. Don't flex on social media. Build slowly. They own paid up trucks, reinvest profits, add another truck later, build relationships, stay consistent years. That's how trucking creates wealth, not fast but real. So, can trucking make you a millionaire? Yes, if you run it like a business. No, if you only drive and spend. Trucking rewards discipline. Trucking punishes mistakes. If you are willing to learn, control your money, and stay patient, trucking can absolutely change your life. If you want more real trucking business talk, not hype, not politics, subscribe and let me know what topic you want next.